The All Manipur Health Services Doctors Association na Lengak ta tandun lakpa tongan ba Davi Singh Lengak na tabak ta ontok tabagi mayok ta Hayengdagi Houna Opd Singh Numit Nini Thingjinlagani khongjang sangsinana ba warip lokre warip sing asi The All Manipur Health Services Doctor Association Bisnupur amadi Thawal ge executives member sing CMOs doctors amadi nursing ge oiba apun ba mifam na warip lokibani haide Karigumba OPD Thingjinlagani khongjang asi sangsinlaba fawbuda Lengak na thabak amata paikhalaktrabade makhata ba akan ba khongjang
Following a consultative meeting between the All Manipur Health Services Doctors Association, the chief medical officers, the medical superintendents, doctors and nurses of Bisempur and Thobal district was held on 23rd and 24th December 2022. Because the Manipur government is using the services of the doctors as essentials of the essentials, but considered the doctors as bonded laborers. Because of this very reason, the joint meeting have taken up this stringent action to close down OPDs for 2 days with effect from 27 December 2022. And if the Manipur government still remain adamant and not ready to give or to grant our demands, then the association AMSDA will go ahead with indefinite strike, indefinite shutdown of the OPDs thereafter.